but I'm unable to see recordings. Yes, yeah, it has started. Yes, yes.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Sharvesh, right?
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking me. So, what about your journey, English journey, as well, your life? How is it going on?
Yeah, it's going fantastic. I'm just managing so many things simultaneously. Right now, I'm having sessions with English Yaari as well. So that sessions are also amazing. What about you? How your journey is going on?
Yeah, my journey is going on well so far. Just I'm enjoying my life, and
Hmm.
just I'm trying to get a government job, but it is really little bit difficult for me to get government job because here is a huge amount of competition. So that's why I was preparing for UPPCSJ 1 year ago. Then I quit my preparation, and then I started learning English language just because of my communication skill, and I want to improve my communication skills. So that's why I started, and I have improved a lot. Because 1 year ago I didn't know how to speak. I was zero. You can say I started my journey from scratch, but now you can see I'm able to speak and I can express my thought proper way. So that's
Mm-hmm.
how I have
Exactly.
improved, and I'm trying to learn.
Okay. So right now, are you going somewhere? As I can see, you are not at home.
Yes, I'm about to go at my home. I have a little bit work, then I will return tomorrow.
Okay. So you're waiting for train.
Yes, here I'm at the station.
Mm-hmm. As I can see the background.
Yeah. So what about your day today? How did you spend your time today so far?
Yeah, it was wonderful actually. Right now, as I already mentioned you, there are so many things. In morning, I attend one session at English Yari with ma'am with tutor, and right now I have to go in evening somewhere. Actually, there is a wedding in my family, my cousin's wedding. So where I have to go in evening. I think tomorrow also I will have to go. But work is also very important, and I just wanted to connect. And I thought just having one session, and around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, I leave her house.
Okay, got it, got it. Earlier days when I started my journey, so I saw your video. Just I was scrolling through a video, then I saw your video, and that time I wanted to talk to you, but I didn't because I couldn't. I don't know why, but I tried many times.
Hmm.
And maybe I sent a message or not on your Skype ID.
Oh, okay. But I think we have connected, right?
I don't know.
Or because it happens when we take a long break, and with some people we have connected, I think 1 year ago or 2 year ago. So that get difficult sometime to recall all these things, right?
Right, right, right. So I have a question, three questions, and I'm gonna ask you if you allow me. Definitely, I will.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, you can ask.
First question is related to English language. Mostly people, they are giving up, and they don't want to learn English language just because they are not able to see improvement themselves. So, what do you think, and why they are doing like this?
If I talk about improvement, so really that is a time taking process. If I talk about myself also, I have been trying for last 2 years, and I'm just trying to do some different things. I mean, I'm connecting with co-learners as well. I'm teaching some student, they are from beginner and they are just unable to speak. I'm also connecting some with some platform with some tutors. So where what I can learn, what I can observe, what I can share with others. So that's why a lot of things is there, and you have to understand, and then you have to work. So I'm also juggling with these things. Sometimes I get irritated. Oh my god, I need to learn so many things. What about you? Yeah.
I'm doing the same thing. Just I'm taking classes, not any platform. Just I'm taking class here because I'm just trying to immerse myself in English language. It is very necessary to be consistent, and if you have consistency, so definitely you will get fluency. You will get everything from related to English language, and you can learn. And if you don't have consistency and you are thinking that no, I will get fluency and I will learn English language, so it's not gonna happen. a whole life. So definitely you have to be consistent as well, dedication. And second thing is that I want to ask you, what is your opinion about sacrificing? Sacrifice, a word. This is a word. So what do you think about it?
Are you talking about sacrifice?
Yeah, sacrifice.
Right? For learning this language, I don't think so that I sacrificed, but yeah, only thing is that we have to devote too much time instead of just meeting with people or going somewhere. But yeah, what I feel, I'm still managing these things. So I don't call it sacrifice, but yeah, I'm relishing these things. I'm enjoying.
Great, 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 great.
Yeah.
Either me. I'm also trying to interact people in different way.
Right. What else are you doing apart from connecting with people?
I'm not doing any specific thing. Just sometime I watch video, conversation video, and sometime I listen a lot Hindi song because I like to listen Hindi song. And whenever I go outside near the Ganga or a workplace, Hanuman temple, there I talk to people in Hindi language. Maybe you can say 2 hours, 3 hours. Just I gossip a lot with them because they don't know how to speak English language, and so that's why I don't try to talk with them in English because I know I'm able to English, I'm able to speak, but they don't know how to speak. So that's why I don't. And nowadays I'm spending my time and just as well I'm trying to get a government job and I'm learning English language as well. You can see simultaneously I'm running YouTube channel. I think you know everything about me.
Mhm. Right. No, I just wanted to know, I mean, what are you reading? What are you listening? And if you can suggest something, that would be fruitful for me or for people as well.
If I talk about reading part, so it is very beneficial for every learner, each and every learner. So if they want to improve their communication skills, so reading part it is
What?
necessary, and they can start reading part, like a moral stories as well. If they are able to understand, so they can. Otherwise, here's a lot of novels. Nowadays I'm reading uh, the power of subconscious mind. As well atomic
Yes.
habits. So there I'm getting a lot of things. How can we attract people? How can we attract money? Everything. If you know how to attract and how to visualization, visualization system. Maybe I think everything. So you can visualize a lot everything, and you can attract. Like if you want to become a fluent English speaker, so you have to think a lot in English language. Don't talk with anyone your mother tongue. Think in English language. Talk to people in English language. Read, listen in English language. Then you are gonna learn. Otherwise, you are thinking that no, I'm gonna visualize in my mind and I'm gonna attract and how I'm gonna become a fluent speaker. So definitely you want to become a fluent speaker without speaking, without doing this thing. How can you attract the things? You have to do hard work. Then you can achieve. You have to think a lot and otherwise you can note down on your notebooks and just to see daily basis. Yes, you can make a schedule that I will do that time like this, I will do it, I will go outside, I will study like this at that time. Just try to make a schedule or timetable. you know it will be better for everyone.
Exactly, exactly. So, do you also believe on all these things, manifestation, gratitude, visualization, affirmation? Do you do these things?
Ma'am,
Like,
I have attracted a lot of things. Even though I had no smartphone 2 years ago, I had nothing. But now I have everything: money, people, good family, as well, good teacher in English language. Everything I have. You can say I attracted. Just 2 years ago, okay, I was thinking a lot. As well, I was doing hard work, so that's why I got everything. You know, now I'm satisfied my job, and I have everything whatever I'm having because of English language, because of my good communication skill. But how it is possible? Because I had hard work, I had desire to learn English language.
hmm,
Yes, I have gratitude. It's a reality, and that's why I'm able to achieve, and I'm trying to achieve.
yes, yes, yes. That means you have implemented, you have achieved, so you have a firm belief on all these things. Is it what actually I wanted to know that,
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely right, right. Yeah, sometimes it's happen, when you were talking with anyone and that time you were outside. So that time it's happen sometimes, like agitation type, and you can see people they are roaming here and there because this is a station.
Mm-hmm, I can see, I can see.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm, right, right.
So
Okay.
do you believe God or not?
So, sorry?
Do you believe God or not?
Of course, I do believe, and I do believe on all these things, of course, but I believe that it takes time when it comes to, I mean, I recently I got to know about all these things: affirmation, gratitude, manifestation. There are even so many channels that are completely dedicated to this, like uh, I don't know. I think Amit Kumar is the channel. So he videos completely based on these things. He every day he's just talking about that manifestation, affirmation, and all these things. Even I have also tried, but in order to get that or in order to accomplish your manifestation, you have to believe on all these things, or there should not be any doubt, right? And somewhere it happens when you want to achieve something massive, or exactly you feel that this is really out of my approach, so that get difficult to believe on all these things, right? So I mean, it happens with me, like being fluent, and as you talked about that, have a phone. These things are okay. As a human, we can believe it. But when it comes, suppose that I'm just thinking, okay, I should have my salary at least 1 lakh per month. I mean, this is difficult to believe in ourselves. I mean, first I have to make myself believe it, and then I can manifest these things. So initially, that's getting difficult for me sometimes. First, I have to believe, yeah, really, I deserve it. And when you feel that you deserve these things, only universe will give it to you, right? So I'm also lacking somewhere. I'm not saying that these concepts are wrong or something is wrong in this thing, but what I believe, I have to understand. I have to trust on everything. I think
God.
you're getting affected by your surroundings. Is it?
Yeah, just like police officers, they are roaming here and there, and just they are scolding people who are trying to
Mm-hmm.
reach there on their bicycle. So that's why they are scolding them.
Uh-huh.
What are you doing like this?
Okay, okay. No
And
problem. If you are not comfortable, we can have session any other day.
no, I'm comfortable. Oh my God, I'm very neither boy. I don't have fear of people or anyone. I'm just I want to improve my communication skill. This is my responsibility, and no one teach me that. No one will guide me that. Yes, service you have to do like this. And then you are able to get fluency. No, and if you are getting fluency, then people they always try to pull your leg. They always try to uh, like make fool. So that's why I don't want to distract with anyone. Anything I don't want to go outside. Even though, earlier I asked you like what do you think about sacrificing. So nowadays I'm sacrificing everything, like even to my family. I don't go in at my home. I am going right now just because I have a work. This is my work, related to. Otherwise, I don't go outside. I don't go anywhere. Just nowadays, I'm trying to learn English language at any cost. If I'm able to learn English language, definitely I can do something for new in my life. And this is a good
Mhm.
thing for me. And definitely I will learn just because all of you guys you are supporting me. So definitely it will happen.
Definitely. No, not you should not say thanks. Actually, we all are supporting each other because this time we all need to each other. Only then we would able to accomplish this journey.
What will you do after terminating this?
What will I do after what? After this
Ter-
session?
no, terminating this app.
No, I'm not getting.
I asked you what will you do after this app, maybe comes after
Oh,
one
got
month.
got that. Got that. Definitely, I will find some other application, or of course, we have so many options. Like there is a will, there is a way, right? I always believe it. And after
And
this app,
install a Zoom app, and you can be a good tutor there, and you can invite student who are eager to learn English language. Definitely, they will join you, and you
no,
can.
definitely I have. I have actually everything: Google Meet, Zoom application. Um, yeah, I have, and I'm also having session.
From there.
Yes, I mean recording option we do not have, but without recording, I'm just having session.
What about Zoom? There is a recording system available there or not?
No, no, no.
But
We have to
mostly
use laptop
I
or
talk to
PC.
Rajni ma'am and Karishma Chauhan as well. Here is a huge amount of teachers they are getting recording from there.
Because they are using laptops, PCs.
Okay, okay.
Laptop
Laptop
we
is
can use.
necessary. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, nowadays my laptop is not working. That's why I'm just struggling. And I think within 2 3 days, I'm just going to have my laptop, new laptop, and then I'll start having session on Zoom.
So, what about your YouTube channel? Like it has monetized or not?
No, no, not yet.
Like
Okay, so yeah, yeah. That's not a big deal. Actually, I'm just having session that matters a lot for me. And okay, you are also in there. I think there are so many people. So we'll connect next time. I also have some work. So let me finish that.
I connect you. I will send you personally.
Sure, sure. Definitely.
And
We
we
can.
had a nice
Bye. Have
time.
a
Bye. Have a nice day.